Today we are out at Meadow Creek, correct?
Yes, good
Yes.
job.
Meadow Creek,
All right.
128 unit in Garland, Texas. It's a 1979, 78 or 79? 79 built property. As you can see from the exterior, it kind of looks like more of a B 1980s property. It looks really nice. And we're with Velo Residential. They manage the property and they've done a really good job.
New fixtures.
Okay.
Right.
How important is smell in the model unit?
Ooh, that's a really great, really great question. So this property just completed a water conservation project, so everything is upgraded with new ultra-high efficiency toilets to reduce the consumption.
Seeing anything innovative, new that you guys have been doing just to really drive traffic. Obviously visibility helps.
Yep.
But besides that, anything online that you guys have done?
5-star reviews is big with us. Like,
Okay. What are the biggest challenges right now in property management?
So I would say the number one challenge is delinquency.
This is an example of
We're just
a
talking
bad
about
smelling
smell,
unit.
A lot of times when we're walking units, you know, the tenant moves out and it's time to come and make it ready. It's not always as straightforward as it looks on the camera. So I wanted to show you a unit that I guess they just moved out probably in the last